day. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 5 common mistakes that students make at the beginning of a semester. Don't go anywhere. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Mrs. Ezine and I'm an academic coach and also a lecturer who is passionate about helping students succeed in university. If this is your first time of tuning into this channel, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell to be notified of any new post I make on this channel. Number one mistake, resume late. Let's say your school resumes on the first day of September. And next thing, you see some students still arriving at the end of September in the beginning of the next month. Some people go ahead to push it and resume at the end of the second month of the semester. Crazy, right? Yes, crazy. Most students don't resume on the very first day of resumption, and most of them don't resume at the, let's say, 2 weeks after resumption. Now, to correct this mistake, all you have to do is resume during the first week of resumption. Why do you need to resume early? This is so that you can plan effectively. If you arrive on time, you'll be very aware of the activities that are happening or going to happen within the university. You hear it from the horse's mouth, so to say. You can hear things directly from your lecturer's mouth and not through another student's mouth, because the way you hear it through your lecturer's mouth will be different from how you hear it from another student. Another reason why you should resume early is so that you can settle down early before the pressure. I'm telling you, there is a lot of pressure during your stay at the university, so you have to be well prepared for the pressure that is going to come, so that you will be able to overcome it and come out with good grades. 2, no plans. Most students don't start the semester with no plans at all. No plans in place, no study plan, no school plan, no work plan, no plan at all. They just resume school, chat with their friends,
blah blah blah. How far have you watched the latest movie? Blah blah blah. Do you know this person did this? Blah blah blah.
And no plan. Okay, you have to plan for your semester. If not, you are planning to fail. If you don't know how to properly plan for your semester, check out my last video. The link will be in the description box below, and go and check it out. Number 3, no budget. Like, seriously, by the time you're done with the first month in the semester, yes, the students saying,
hey, Sakpa don't hit me,
or something. I don't know what they say now. As the young, I want to finish me. How can you start your semester without budgeting? It's very important. Immediately your parents or your guardians drop that pocket money in your bank account, bam. Next thing, before you move any dime, I mean any dime, you have to plan for that money. If not, your money go just waka pass you by. Okay, you are going to spend it without knowing what you actually spent it on. Okay, so you have to bring out money for your lecture materials, very important. Money for your dues, very important. And how you are going to eat during that semester. Now I'm going to cover this, the financial aspect of your academics, how to plan, in another video. Okay, so that this one I wouldn't take much time. 4, don't check for their results. This is a very common mistake that students make while they're staying in university, especially those staying in a public university. Okay, here in our country, Nigeria especially, they don't check for their results. They just enter and think, oh, all is well, forget the last semester, and this is a new semester, and they are there jiving. When it's time to write their exam, that is when they suddenly remember, oh, I took their course and I don't remember what I got, or I never saw the result, and they start rushing. Then they don't check for their result at the beginning of the semester, and they have to do that. You have to do that so that you will know the carryover, any carryover.
God forbid.
Okay, some are inevitable. Okay, Some students, because they did not do well last semester, they will tend to carry over some courses. Okay, so you have to check for your results so that you can find out if you passed all your courses. If you have any carryover, that's having an F and need to write that course again, that's mean of carryover. That means find out what the carryovers that you have, so you can start attending the lectures on time. Lecturers hate when you come to their exam hall and asking them,
oh ma, I carried over this course and I want sir, and I want what do I do for the CA?
oh my god, you have had the last 3 months to ask that question, and you're coming at the end, the very last month of your semester, to actually have asked what you're going to do about the carryover. So make sure you check for your results on time so that you know how your last semester was, and you can be able to start plan how this new semester is going to be. 5, don't start studying early. Like almost all students make this mistake. I don't know why, but they feel that the beginning of the semester is the time to just come and relax, let the semester, groove a little before they actually start studying. Only small people, only small students, small amount number of students that actually start studying on time at the beginning of the semester. Okay, this is when you need to actually start looking at your lecture material, start reading, so by the time the semester comes to an end, you would have covered all your scheme of work, all your lecture materials. Okay, some even complain,
Like, oh, I've not yet gotten my lecture materials, blah 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 blah.
more. You have to push for it. Okay, push for it. Find out what your lecturers want to give you, what they want you to read. Find out from them, keep disturbing them till they give you your lecture material, so that you can start reading on time. If you don't start reading on time, I promise you, during exams time, you are going to be stressed up, your body, you are going to look for ways to cheat, which can even lead you to failing that course totally. Okay, and you don't want that. It will lead to low GPA, and you don't want that because it's going to affect your CGPA by the time you graduate. If you need more tips on how to actually avoid these mistakes, okay, I have already written a book, 15 strategies to start your semester right. Okay, if you need the book, just send me an email saying you want this book and I will reply. The book is just 500 naira. For now, it's 500 naira. It's a very, very simple book. You can browse through it and finish reading it in less than 24 hours. Okay, as a very good academic coach, I'm telling you that you should actually follow these tips. Okay, don't make these mistakes. Okay, if you do not make these mistakes, if you don't make these mistakes, I can assure you your semester is going to be mwah. Okay, so if you have any question, just leave them in the comment section below, and I'll try my very best to answer each and every one. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that post notification notification bell to be notified of any new posts. You can also follow me on my other social media outlets, like on Instagram at Mrs. Ezine, and see you in my next video. Okay, take care, god bless you, bye.